Hi there. It's time for a story again, and this time you'll find the story in SpellTime06, page 38, and it's called The Best Answer. Jim and James didn't like each other. Jim thought James was a know-all, and James thought Jim was an imbecile. Whenever they met, James tried to show Jim how successful he had been and how clever he was. "Ask me anything," he said. "Anything. I bet I can answer any question you ask me." "How much do you bet?" asked Jim. $50, replied James confidently. "Okay," said Jim. "I bet you $50 I can ask you a question you cannot answer. And I also bet you $10 you cannot ask me a question I cannot answer." "Why only $10? asked James. "Oh, because you're much cleverer than I am," answered Jim. "That's true," said James. "So what's your question?" "Okay," said Jim. "What is yellow and green, has 7 legs, 3 arms, and 2 heads?" James thought for a while and then gave up. "I give up," he said. "Here's your $50. But tell me, what is yellow and green and has 7 legs, 3 arms, and 2 heads?" "I don't know either," said Jim. "Here's your $10. Get it? Pretty smart. Let's have a look at a couple of words, shall we? They were successful, they were clever, they were confident, but James replied confidently. So if you want to say how somebody does something, you have to add "ly". So if you're careful, you drive carefully. If you're confident, you speak confidently. A slow person walks slowly. A happy person sings happily. And a clever person answers a question cleverly. Can you see? We add "ly" onto the end every time we're explaining how somebody does something. Now let's look at the story again, and this time read it for yourselves. Well, that's it for today, folks. See you again soon.